Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're taking a close look at the K21 MAX Drone, a compact yet feature-packed quadcopter designed for both beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. Right out of the box, the K21 MAX stands out with its 4.3-inch screen remote controller. This means you don't need to connect your phone at all. The live camera feed is displayed directly on the controller, giving you low-latency, real-time FPV viewing, which is especially helpful for smooth and confident flying. The drone is powered by brushless motors, offering better wind resistance, improved stability, and longer durability compared to brushed motors. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the K21 MAX feels stable and responsive. For smoother hovering, it uses an optical flow positioning system. The bottom sensor helps the drone maintain a steady position, making it easier to control, especially for beginners who are still learning. The 4K camera features 90-degree electric angle adjustment, allowing you to change your shooting angle directly from the controller. You can capture photos and record videos on the go, perfect for scenic shots or fun aerial clips. One of the key highlights is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. When activated, the drone can detect nearby obstacles and help reduce the risk of collisions, adding an extra layer of confidence during flight. The K21 MAX also includes fun and beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 360-degree flips for aerial stunts. There's even track flight, letting the drone follow a custom path you draw. With a flight time of around 15 minutes, USB charging, and a foldable design, this drone is easy to carry and convenient to use. Its forged carbon-style body gives it a modern, premium look while keeping the weight light. Overall, the K21 MAX Drone is a great option if you're looking for a screen remote drone with brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and a stable FPV experience, all in a beginner-friendly package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech and drone reviews here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.